This little part where this wear originates makes it not work well, not cut well. As we can see, this part which is responsible for the edge, we can see all the wear it has. Well, in this video, I will explain why you need to know about overlock cutting blades. Besides the fact that the blades, when they are working to cut well, have certain measurements, they must be well adjusted to the machine. As we can see, we have two sets of blades. We have the two good blades and the two bad blades. Now let's look at the upper blade, which is the good one. We see this part which is responsible for the cutting. As you can see, a totally uniform edge, nice and straight. Now let's look at the worn one, which you won't be able to see at a glance, but it will cause many problems, mostly biting the fabric. It won't cut well and it will tend to bunch up. As we can see, this part, which is responsible for the edge, we can see all the wear it has there, and this causes this blade not to cut well. This upper blade is made of tungsten. Therefore, it cannot be sharpened, unlike the lower blade, all of which can be sharpened. And here we can see it will be placed this way, and we see it has a uniform edge, even, straight, and in good condition. Now let's look at the worn one. It would be placed this way. And we can see that when it is mounted on the machine, at first glance we will not be able to see it. This small part where this wear originates makes it not work well, not cut well. It frays the fabric and it will leave little pieces of accumulated thread, and the cut will not be clean. This blade cannot wear down in this area since it can be sharpened. And as you can see, at first glance we won't clearly appreciate what is happening, but this is how the blade should be for your overlock to cut well.